We naturally perceive time as a straight arrow, moving from a fixed past toward an unwritten future. However, a closed topology suggests a different structure, one where time bends back to meet its own origin. This is the Dual-Caustic Universe, or DCU. It describes a closed topological loop where the beginning and end of time are structurally adjacent. In this model, physical matter is not the foundational layer of the universe. It is the observable residue left behind when two unseen forces interact. Decoding this interaction starts with a simple mathematical differential. 10 minus 9 equals 1. These numbers represent a reality split into two complementary fields. Each follows a unique set of physical laws, creating a dual-layered system of cause and effect. To understand the nature of physical mass, we have to look past the object itself and isolate the two invisible forces that manufacture it. This universe operates on two parallel tracks. One handles the realm of the infinite, the other handles the finite. This is the I9 field, representing infinite information and memory. Mathematically, it functions as an integral, a smooth, unmoving wave state. It does not act or move, but serves as a silent witness that accumulates data without losing coherence. Running parallel is the D10 field, representing finite energy and manifestation. Functioning as the derivative, it forms a rapidly ticking orbit containing a distinct particle. This is the deterministic force that powers physical action and linear time. Because the D10 field has a finite rate of change and the I9 field is an infinite sum, they occupy different mathematical registers. They run parallel to one another but never directly touch. This lack of interaction is the central problem of the DCU. For a physical world to appear, the universe must employ a third mechanism to bridge the gap between kinetic energy and static information. That bridge is a localized intersection where these parallel fields are forced to converge. This central confluence point is the T3 variable, the massless fulcrum of the universe. It creates a caustic convergence, a topological bottleneck squeezing energy and information together under extreme tension. The process begins as the deterministic pulse of D10 energy drives violently into this T3 fulcrum. At that exact coordinate, the pulse is caught and recorded by the I9 container. This intense topological friction at the intersection is the exact mechanism that produces a solid physical mass out of the void. Mass is the manifested result of energy and information colliding. It is a byproduct of the tension generated at a specific universal coordinate. The D10, T3, and I9 variables function together as a unified, self-sustaining engine. This engine cycles in the immediate present. The process flows through four continuous stages. Mass is manifested, the state is recorded into memory, the pattern recurs, and recurrence fuels new manifestation. Universal memory constantly logs the current state of mass, which provides the precise instructions for the next pulse of physical reality. This mathematical equation governs the viewer's physical body. The human form serves as the living coordinate where these two fields resolve. Every physical being exists exactly at the intersection where universal information and raw energy collide, serving as the ongoing product of a closed, recurrent universe.